Hey guys, this is a video to show you how to put together the Jaws Panic at the Shark Attack Pachinko. Alright. So for this video, we're going to fast forward a little bit. This is assuming that you put the top half and the bottom half door on. 4 screws right there, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws right there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4 here, and another 4 here for all 4 hinges. The only thing to note is that the bottom hinge of each door has the grounding strip. So you'll just pull off this screw. Yeah, you'd probably keep it on. There we go. One grounding strap. You'll have one right down here. So let's start with the top. So really simple, 3 wires. You can see the 3 holes that they go in, and you can't mix them up because every single one of these plugs that I'm taking on and putting on, they're all different sizes. So let's put that right in there, click. 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 Yeah. I do cool sound effects. Here you might have 2 control knobs, pots knobs. 2 there for the 2 speakers there. 2 in the bottom for the 2 in the bottom. And then you have the giant woofer right there. This is definitely a cool machine. So that's the top. Let's move on to the bottom. So you're going to want to remove the coin dispensing thing. Grab this. Grab these brown wires. You can put them, this is the attachment to hold it close, but we'll put those on after. Alright, so again, all 4 of these are different sizes. Those 2 and those 2. Oops. One there. One there. Oops. Yeah, you gotta put the wires a little bit. Get some slack in them. I'm just gonna close that. But these 2 wires will actually be in there. Boom. And there you have it. 6 total wires for this entire machine. Settings key. Pots again. super easy. This, look the little, that little piece right there up. Boom. In. Lock. Put the power on. And if you haven't already, definitely turn the power off or unplug it before you do anything. Open this. Should be green. Alright. Shut the top first, make sure it's secure. And you're gonna get this warning. But what's this? Oh, and it's all gone. Yep, just when you put your key in, turn it left and it resets it. So that's all you gotta do to make it work. And the sound adjustments are inside. There's no coins in it now. I was playing with it before. Really awesome machine. Everything lights up. These 3 bulbs light up. You can actually change this screen, which is pretty cool. Alright, come on, Sora, go away. There you go. Definitely one of the cooler machines I've seen and dealt with. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. It's super easy to put this machine together and take it apart. Really surprised by it. But thank you for your purchase, and please let me know how I can help you in the future. Thank you.